If you're looking for the best glucose meter, here's a collection that you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1 most popular, CareTouch Diabetes Testing Kit, CareTouch Blood Glucose Meter. This testing kit from CareTouch also gets rave reviews from customers for its accuracy and ease of use. It can store up to 300 readings so you can monitor what's happening with your blood sugar over time, and it also keeps a 14-day average for monitoring it in the short term. This complete kit comes with a meter, 100 blood test strips, a lancing device, 100 lancets, and a carry case. Everything you need to start monitoring your blood sugar immediately. Readings are fast, available in just 5 seconds, and take just a small amount of blood. It runs on a 3-volt lithium battery, which is included. Number 2. Contour Next Easy Diabetes Testing Kit, Contour Next Easy Blood Glucose Meter. The Contour Next Easy is great for people with diabetes or anyone new to blood glucose testing, or for those who don't need all the fancy bells and whistles on a monitor. The display screen is not backlit, therefore it may be hard to read in poor lighting. The entire meter fits well in a hand, coming in at just over 3 inches tall and about 2 inches wide. Even though it's not the tiniest meter on the market, it doesn't weigh much, only 1.7 ounces with the 2 3-volt coin cell batteries installed. The Contour Next Easy is very accurate. It uses 0.6 microliter samples and reruns the test 6 times, using multi-pulse technology to ensure the best result, even though the sample is run several times. Number 3. Verio Contour Next One Bluetooth Glucose Meter. This Contour Next One glucometer tops our list for its accuracy, low cost, and enthusiastic customer reviews. It works with an app on your smartphone where you can manage and track your blood sugar levels and monitor them over time. You can also share the results with your doctor or loved ones, and it will send out alerts should your levels reach critical levels. It also features the company's second chance sampling technology, which asks you to reapply blood as necessary so you don't have to waste strips or time redoing a test. Statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Number 4. Onetouch Verio Blood Glucose Monitoring System. Onetouch Verio glucometer is excellent for those with side issues having troubles testing their blood sugar levels. The large backlit screen is very easy to read. The Verio uses color assure technology to effortlessly view a red dot, meaning your reading is above average, a green dot showing your reading is within the normal range, or a blue dot indicating your blood glucose reading is below average. The screen on the monitor also tells you the average cost over the past week, 2 weeks, and 30 days. The Onetouch Verio also holds up to 500 past test results in the device. The Verio has been proven to be over 99% accurate with its results. Accuracy is one of, if not the most important aspects to consider when selecting your glucometer. Number 5. iHealth Smart Wireless Blood Sugar Test Kit for iPhone and Android. For easy on-the-go blood sugar monitoring, there's this glucometer from iHealth. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or a small purse, and it works either independently or with your smartphone. You can use an app to sync it and store and share your readings, or just get a simple reading when you're not online. It runs on a rechargeable battery, which is included. While some have run into kinks when using it, many customers say the results are quick and accurate and easy to use. iHealth Wireless Blood Glucose Monitoring System Diabetic 50 Strips Kit for iPhone and Android phones is an all-in-one blood glucose meter solution including 50 blood test strips, 50 sterile lancets, and 1 lancing device, 1 micro USB cable, and 1 carrying case. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.